Welcome to Spaceverse, your portal to cosmic adventures. Science is in utter shock as the James Webb Telescope captures something incredibly terrifying. Strange, illogical lights and formations in space are depicted in these pictures. Might these be omens of something we've never anticipated or dreaded? We must investigate the reasons behind these horrifying pictures, which prove beyond a reasonable doubt that a new aggressive alien race seeks to subjugate Earth. A radiation shower from the cosmic rim. By focusing light from the cosmos's furthest corners, the James Webb Telescope will show us stars and galaxies as they appeared billions of years ago. With its infrared technology, the most powerful telescope ever constructed can peek through cosmic dust and reveal hidden beauties. Approximately 7,000 light-years distant in the Eagle Nebula, it first focused on the well-known pillars of creation. Prior to delving further, it is evident that the revelations made in the pillars of creation by the James Webb Telescope are considerably more disturbing than anyone had anticipated, and this is just the start. Webb offered a fresh view of massive gas and dust pillars first captured by Hubble in 1995, revealing newly formed stars within them. However, these findings sparked eerie speculation. Could these structures be more than just formations? Some scientists even entertain the idea of artificial origins, fueling alien life theories. Shortly after, Webb targeted Pandora's cluster, capturing a stunning mosaic of over 50,000 infrared light sources, unveiling unseen details of its galaxies. Yet, the gravitational distortions in the region raised unsettling questions. Could they hint at unknown forces or objects? One of Webb's most puzzling discoveries was WR140, a distant star surrounded by square-like concentric rings. While ultimately explained as optical aberrations, the unusual shape sparked speculation about natural phenomena or extraterrestrial design. Another shocking find involved early universe galaxies, appearing far larger and more mature than expected just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. Their rapid formation challenges our understanding of how galaxies and stars evolve. Scientists in the field of astronomy are beginning to wonder if the early universe was significantly more dynamic and chaotic than previously thought. There are those who think we may need to start from scratch with our understanding of the universe's origins because of these discoveries. A near-perfect spiral situated some 32 million light-years away, the Phantom Galaxy came into sharp focus as Webb persisted with its quest. Using its infrared sensors, the telescope found what appears to be an intermediate black hole near the galactic center and a concealed cloud of dust. Because intermediate black holes are so scarce, and because their function in the history of the galaxy is still a contentious issue in astronomy, this discovery is all the more fascinating. Though they present challenging concerns regarding the forces influencing galaxies, Webb's detailed pictures offer a new chance to explore these events. The nearby place. Locally, the telescope snapped breathtaking pictures of Neptune and its rings, which had not been seen in over 30 years. In contrast to previous observations, Webb's infrared imagery clearly showed the dusty rings and high-altitude clouds of the planet. Webb's images not only expand our understanding of Neptune, but also hint at dynamic atmospheric processes, such as strong air currents near its equator. The telescope also captured 7 of Neptune's moons, including Triton, which reflects 70% of the sunlight it receives, raising new questions about our own solar system. Webb also examined the Tarantula Nebula, a massive star-forming region 161,000 light-years away, uncovering hundreds of young stars hidden by cosmic dust. This discovery offers insight into star formation and the early universe. Named for its web-like gas and dust structures, the nebula showcases the telescope's ability to reveal both the beauty and complexity of space. After unlocking new details about stars and galaxies, Webb turned its focus closer to home, where moons and planets may hold unexpected clues about life. The secret rings of Neptune unveiled. Titan, the largest moon of Saturn, was one of Webb's most fascinating findings. Titan has always fascinated people with its thick atmosphere, liquid oceans of methane, and landscapes that resemble Earth. Webb's observations charted the atmospheric gas distribution and revealed bright spots on Titan's surface, which are most likely methane clouds. These results may provide light on the possibility of life on other planets and moons by shedding light on the evolution of their atmospheres. It is a huge step forward for planetary science that the telescope can see through Titan's thick atmosphere. That was just the beginning of the revelations. The Tarantula Nebula was the focus of Webb's observations, as the spacecraft discovered hundreds of newly born stars there. Cosmic dust had previously covered these stars, but the strong infrared sensors on the Webb Space Telescope were able to see through it all, revealing their evolution for the first time. Located in the Large Magellanic Cloud, this area is referred to as 30 Doradus and is 161,000 light-years distant. Nebulae are so named because they resemble spiders. The gas and dust filaments resemble the silk-lined burrow of tarantulas. These results shed light on the mechanisms that determine star formation. Webb's influence extends beyond deep space, offering new insights into our own solar system. Its images of Neptune's rings and high-altitude clouds reveal atmospheric activity unseen for over 30 years. Triton, one of Neptune's moons, reflects 70% of the sunlight it receives, adding to our understanding of planetary systems. Webb also studied Titan, Saturn's largest moon, mapping atmospheric gases and detecting bright methane clouds. These findings offer clues about how atmospheres evolve and the potential for life. Its ability to peer through Titan's thick haze marks a major leap in exploration. Turning to the early universe, Webb captured images of galaxies just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang, far larger and more complex than expected, challenging existing models of cosmic evolution. One of its most striking discoveries is the Phantom Galaxy, a near-perfect spiral 32 million light-years away. Webb's infrared images revealed hidden cosmic dust and a possible intermediate black hole at its core, opening new avenues to study galaxy formation and the forces that shape them. In its just 2 years of operation, the James Webb Space Telescope has completely transformed our knowledge of the cosmos. In its wake, new questions have arisen and old assumptions have been tested, as we learn more about the solar system's planets and moons and how they interact with one another and with the universe as a whole. However, apprehension accompanies these advances. More and more information about the cosmos leads to more and more inquiries. Is there anything more that Webb could find in the cosmos that could change the way we see the world? Even more daring observations are in the works as the telescope continues its mission. Webb is an ideal instrument for exploring the most fundamental mysteries of the cosmos because of its exceptional capabilities. The telescope has the potential to expand human understanding in a wide range of areas, from the research of exoplanet atmospheres to the investigation of the early universe. Although we get a little better at making sense of the cosmos with each new finding, the enormous unknown still looms large in the background. A technological wonder, the James Webb Space Telescope also serves as a portal to the universe beyond Earth's surface. Wonder and curiosity are sparked by its visuals, which push us to challenge our knowledge and seek answers to the riddle of existence. With each new discovery, the Webb Space Telescope has the ability to shatter our current conception of the universe and our role in it. While the discoveries made by the telescope are really astounding, they also raise significant concerns regarding the mysteries of space that remain unanswered. Can you tell me what goes on within a black hole? The cosmos is as bizarre as it is vast. Despite our best efforts, we've only scratched the surface. Why did it all begin? What lurks in the depths of space? Why does everything work as it does or doesn't? We may never have all the answers, but here are some of the biggest mysteries that still baffle us. Supposedly beginning with the Big Bang, when the universe blasted into existence from an incredibly dense point some 13.8 billion years ago, this is all intended to set the stage. Unfortunately, the real question is, what existed prior to the Big Bang? The question is, was it nothing at all, or was something more bizarre happening? Almost like a parallel universe crashing down? Is it a never-ending cycle of universes starting from the beginning? Furthermore, why was the Big Bang even necessary if it served as the beginning? No one knows who or what switched the cosmic equivalent of a light switch, but it might be anything. Only 5% of the universe consists of visible matter, planets, stars, and galaxies. The rest, dark matter 27% and dark energy 68%, both unseen and mysterious. Dark matter holds galaxies together, yet we don't know what it's made of. Dark energy fuels cosmic expansion, but we have no idea how or why. Black holes are ultimate no-go zones, where gravity is so strong that not even light escapes. What happens inside? Do they crush everything into a singularity, or do they funnel matter elsewhere, another universe perhaps? The information paradox suggests they don't truly destroy what they consume, but where does it all go? Then there's the Fermi paradox, where is everyone? With billions of galaxies, alien life should exist, yet we've found nothing. Are advanced civilizations avoiding us, or are they watching unnoticed? Antimatter is another puzzle. It should have been created in equal amounts to matter during the Big Bang, but matter dominates. Why? No one knows. And then there are neutrinos, the universe's silent ninjas. Trillions pass through you every second, barely interacting, making them nearly impossible to study. Their mass is known, but it is really small, and no one knows for sure how much. Maybe neutrinos are the key to deciphering the universe's smallest workings. They may even be able to resolve the matter-antimatter paradox, according to some. Their ramifications are significant, considering how little they are. Do you recall when we predicted that the expansion of the cosmos would eventually slow down? Unfortunately, dark energy is the reason it's speeding up. However, the most important thing is that we disagree on the rate of expansion. The Hubble tension is the discrepancy in the results obtained from various measurement techniques. If this remains a mystery, we may be oblivious to a fundamental aspect of the cosmos. The more we learn, the closer we get to theories that might revolutionize our view of the cosmos and everything in it. Spatial expanses abound in the cosmos. According to proponents of the multiverse concept, our cosmos could just be one of many. Imagine it as a cosmic foam with bubbles inside, each of which represents a distinct universe with its own set of laws and set of realities. If this is accurate, it's astonishing and really annoying that we can't prove it. Can time travel through space and time in reverse? Also, in cases where we are totally unfamiliar with the physical rules. All we can do is speculate at this point, but the options are limitless. Everyone feels the passage of time, yet no one can put their finger on exactly what it is. The Big Bang, was that when it began? Instead, has it always been there? When is it going to end? If physics allows time to move both ways, why does it only go forward? This question touches on philosophy and existence itself. The cosmic microwave background, CMB, is like the universe's baby picture showing remnants of the Big Bang. But it's not perfect, tiny temperature variations don't fully align with our theories. Are we missing something? Physicists seek a unifying theory to explain everything, but general relativity, big scale, and quantum mechanics, small scale, don't agree. The mystery remains unsolved. Joining them together in a theory of quantum gravity would be the pinnacle of physical achievement. On the other hand, it has proven to be more difficult than expected. A vast collection of celestial bodies is only one small part of the universe. Cosmic gaps are the massive empty spaces between these luminous clusters. You would never believe the size and apparent desolation of these regions. They are still crucial to the distribution of energy and matter in the cosmos. Why did these gaps form, and how did they spread? Asking scientists this question, does the universe just have some unintentional holes in it? On the other hand, they might hold the secret to comprehending mysterious entities such as dark matter and dark energy. Cosmic voids deform the structure of the cosmos, making them more than merely odd gaps. It seems as though clusters of galaxies encircle these holes, weaving a spider's web around their perimeter. As a result of the information gleaned from these enormous areas, we can piece together what happened in the early cosmos and how gravity bundled matter into the structures we observe today. But even so, they raise compelling concerns. Their existence begs the question, why? Where do all the stars and galaxies go to make them so bare? A lot of the universe's peculiar behavior is controlled by two mysterious phenomena called dark matter and dark energy. Scientists believe these gaps may provide further information about these mysterious entities. Unseen dark matter appears to be the glue that holds galaxies together, while unseen dark energy accelerates global expansion. Maybe by studying cosmic voids, we can learn more about the interplay of these unseen forces. Still, no one seems to have figured it out. These enormous holes serve as a constant reminder that the cosmos is both filled with and defined by its absences. The lack of substance in nothingness prompts contemplation of equilibrium, organization, and the invisible powers that control all phenomena. Can we learn more about the universe's inner workings through these spaces? Who can say for sure what the ultimate fate of the universe holds? Can it keep growing and stretching indefinitely? Eventually, the stars will die out, leaving behind a frigid, black expanse, a sad fate known as heat death, if this is true. All the warmth and light in the universe will eventually disappear, according to this theory. One more thing, the big crunch. Under these circumstances, the cosmos may halt its expansion and begin to contract inward. The universe could collapse into a dense state, triggering another Big Bang, but when and if this will happen is unknown. A more unsettling theory, the Big Rip, suggests dark energy could grow so powerful that it tears apart atoms, stars, and galaxies, ending everything in chaos. The fate of the cosmos remains a mystery. Are Webb's eerie images just random, or do they hint at something darker? What do you think Webb will uncover next? Let us know in the comments. And if you love exploring the mysteries of the cosmos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep space discoveries, only here on Spaceverse.